Hey everybody, it's Jennifer, and today I thought we could tidy up my house a little bit. If you guys enjoyed the video while you are watching, please give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. I'll also have a few other videos from my channel linked down below, as well as my Instagram, just so you guys can check it out and see if my channel is something you would like to subscribe to and stick around. We're just going to start off by folding laundry. And now we're just putting up all of the laundry. James is home from work today, so he is helping me by hanging up all of our clothes while I organize Ellie's dresser over here. The gift bag in the floor is filled with clothes that Ellie's outgrown or worn already, and I just put it in a box or a gift bag like that so I can get it out of the way so she can wear all of the clothes of one size before she goes up. Phoebes is going to help me make the bed up really quick. Now that I don't film in here especially, we very rarely like full on make the bed just because we're just going to climb right back into it. And the huge box is a surprise later in the video, but I'm going to put it in the bottom of our closet so that I can fill it up with Ellie Belly clothes. Now we're into the kitchen where I'm just getting dishes ready and loading the dishwasher up. And most of the stuff on the table is my fall decorations that I haven't had a chance to decorate my house for yet. So they kind of all just get left there, but I do pick up my backpack, which does count toward tidying up the house. Right now I'm just going through Ellie's diaper bag and getting out random clothes, shoes, bows. There are bows everywhere all of the time. And of course we're going to pick up all of Ellie's toys for just a minute while James is feeding her so I can vacuum and clean up the floor. And James is trying to help me with my camera angle really quick. All I did was fluff the couch cushions, and oh my god, you guys, my new vacuum finally came in. I just got the newest version of the one I had before. It's a Shark Navigator or something. Look, y'all, the plastic's still on the plug. I'm so excited. I am so excited, y'all. Yo, it swivels. It's got the swivel. I love it. I was so excited for it. James was like, I have never seen you so excited to vacuum. And look, one pass, and everything's good. I love it so much. Best thing ever. That's the true mark of an adult right there, when you're excited about a vacuum cleaner. But I mean, y'all, like, the whole vacuum comes apart, so you have a really long hose. It's super lightweight, and you know, of course, it's red. James informed me not to forget my little attachments that this one came with, so I'm all excited. I was vacuuming the furniture all day long. And Ellie thought it was really funny, but I was vacuuming her foot a little bit, so there's that. Got a little carried away and didn't sweep the kitchen. I went under the edge of my counters, though, and my cabinets, and got all the crumbs that I've been missing with my broom. Oh my god, guys. It's revolutionary having a big new vacuum that actually works. And this is my attempt to be cute and vacuum the screen. It does not work out well for me. And here is the after shot. I know I forgot the beginning shot, but I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope to see you all again soon. Here's just a closing shot of my baby girl and Beebs right here. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye.